Salad tables are a wonderful alternative to traditional in-ground gardens. They're really useful for people with limited mobility who have difficulty bending down and working at ground level. And they are also a natural fit for urban gardeners who have limited space to work with. Hello, I'm Dr. Gary Bachman with Mississippi State University Extension and Southern Gardening. Today I'm going to show you how to build your very own salad table. The term salad table is a little bit of a misnomer. Of course, these tables are great for growing salad fixins like lettuce, greens, herbs, and other vegetables. But they could also just as easily be used for colorful flowers and other ornamental plants. I've even seen a smaller box used for sedums and succulents for a beautiful indoor display. The size of your salad table can vary to fit your needs. The Pine Belt Master Gardeners, who originated this idea, typically build a 6-foot by 3-foot table, but they also make a smaller version that is perfect for a portable herb garden. But no matter the size, you can adjust the length and the width to fit your needs. In addition to watching this video, you can find written instructions at extension.msstate.edu and searching for how to build a salad table. The first step is to select your lumber. You need some sort of rot-resistant wood, such as white oak, cypress, cedar, or treated pine. I recommend using cedar or cypress, but sometimes these cuts can be expensive and hard to find. So today we're going to use plain old treated pine. It's relatively inexpensive and almost every lumber store has it. So let's go over what we need. 2 72-inch long pieces of 5/4 inch by 6-inch pressure-treated pine decking, 4 34.5-inch long pieces of decking, 8 32-inch long pieces of 1x4 treated pine, a box of 1 5/8-inch exterior wood screws, 5 1/8-inch staples, galvanized roofing nails, a roll of 36-inch fiberglass screen, and a roll of 36-inch hardware cloth. Plus a handful of tools like a hammer, drill, square, staple gun, utility knife, and tin snips. Now let's build this thing. Create the frame of the salad table by fitting together the pieces of the pine decking. Place the short pieces inside the long pieces. I like to drill pilot holes to make sure not to split the wood. Using the exterior wood screws, screw 2 of the 4 shorter pieces to the 2 longer pieces to create a rectangle. Be sure the corners are square. Slide the other 2 shorter pieces of wood into the rectangle. Place each cross piece about 24 inches from each end piece. Once again, check to make sure your corners remain square. Drill some pilot holes and then use the wood screws to attach the cross pieces to the frame. Now that's pretty much the construction of the box. Now let's attach the bottom. Turn the frame upside down so that the side you want to become the bottom is facing up. Roll the fiberglass screen over the entire bottom of the box and then staple it down. Use the utility knife to trim the screen to fit. Tap down any staples that are not flush with the wood. The screen is great for holding in the potting mix, but it's not strong enough by itself to support all that weight. So we're going to use this wire hardware cloth to strengthen the bottom. Roll out the hardware cloth over the top of the screen material and nail the hardware cloth over the fiberglass screen using the galvanized roofing nails. Trim the hardware cloth to fit to the bottom of the frame. Now add the legs. The legs are formed using 2 1x4s screwed together at a right angle. The length of the legs can be changed for personal preference. 38-inch long legs provide good clearance for wheelchair access, while 32-inch works best for standing access to the tables. Once the 2 pieces of 1x4 are attached together with 6 or 7 screws, attach this leg assembly to each outside corner of the table frame. Use 6 coated exterior wood screws, 3 on each side. And since I'm a gardener, now comes the really fun part. Use a lightweight potting mix as the planting media in your table. Fill it up to within 1 inch of the top. Next, plant your crop. You can grow from transplants or from seed. Like I said earlier, you can grow whatever you like, whether it's fruit like strawberries or vegetables, herbs, and even ornamental flowers. I even heard of one group at a retirement home that planted and produced a crop of potatoes in their salad table. If for whatever reason a traditional in-ground garden doesn't work for you, then consider building your own salad table. It's a great and easy way to enjoy gardening activities. And if you need any other gardening advice, check out the Mississippi State University Extension website at extension.msstate.edu. I'm Gary Bachman, host of Southern Gardening, and I hope you enjoy your gardening adventures.